Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how to add a menu button to your Wix website in 2024. If you've ever felt a bit stuck trying to customize your navigation or just want to give your site a fresh new look, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to add a menu button, but also how to tweak it so it really matches your style and makes navigation a breeze for your visitors. So let's dive right in. Alright, first things first, you'll want to make sure you've selected the website you want to edit inside your Wix dashboard. If you're working on several projects or demo sites, double check you've got the correct one open. This is super important. It's a bit like making sure you're painting the right wall before you pick up the brush. Once you're inside the Wix editor for your site, take a look over at the left side of the screen. You'll spot a big plus button. This is your Add Elements button. Go ahead and click it. This panel is kind of your control center for adding new things to your website, from text boxes to images and of course menu buttons. Next up, you'll see a bunch of different options pop up. What we're looking for is labeled decorative. Give that a click. Now I know the term decorative might make you think of stickers or confetti, but in Wix, it's actually where you'll find all those basic building blocks and shapes you can use to design your own unique site features, including custom menu buttons. From here, find and select basic shapes. You might be tempted to just pick the first shape you see, but hang tight, we're going one step further. Click on More Basic Shapes, which will open up the wider shape library that Wix offers. This is where you can really get creative. Now you'll notice there's a search bar inside this panel. Click on it and type the word menus. This is such a helpful shortcut, especially since Wix has added a lot of new elements in 2024 and scrolling through everything can take ages. By searching menus, Wix will instantly show you all the available menu styles, horizontal, vertical, hamburger icons, and more. Take a moment to scroll through and preview them. Some are minimalist, some have animated effects. Pick the one that feels right for your website's vibe. Remember, your menu is often the first thing visitors interact with, so choose something that matches your brand's personality. Once you've found the perfect menu button, just click and drag it onto your site's header. Typically, you'll want to position this at the top of your page so it's front and center for your visitors, but don't stress if you need to adjust it later. Wix makes it easy to move things around. And here where the real fun begins, customizing your menu. With the menu selected, a settings panel will pop up. You can start changing the colors, fonts, button shapes, and even tweak the animations. If you want your menu to really pop or line up with your site's color scheme, play around here until it feels just right. You can also link each menu item to the correct pages on your site, or even set up cool hover effects that make your navigation more interactive. Don't worry if the customizing takes a little experimenting. Sometimes the best results come from playing around and seeing what looks good. And that's it. You've just added a custom menu button to your Wix website tailored exactly to your style. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's another Wix topic you want to see next. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, clear website tutorials so you can make your site shine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.